On a warm, gentle morning, sunlight slowly spread across a quiet little home. Three small children, Ethan, Lily, and Noah, sat by the window, watching the light fill the room. The day felt calm and full of wonder. That morning, they followed their grandmother, Grandma Maple, into the backyard. The garden was simple. The soil was soft and brown. There were no flowers yet, no green leaves, just earth, waiting. Grandma Maple carried something small in her hands. Tiny seeds. The children leaned closer, their eyes filled with curiosity. Grandma Maple knelt down and gently touched the soil. One by one, the seeds were placed inside. The soil covered them softly, like a warm blanket. Now the garden looked the same again. But underneath, something had begun. The children were given a small watering can. Water flowed slowly onto the soil, drop by drop. Deep below, the tiny seeds began to wake. Water was the first gift. It helped them begin. Above them, the sun shone brighter. Warm light touched the ground. The garden glowed. This was the second gift. A soft breeze moved through the garden. It brushed past the children's faces. This was the third gift. Air. The children breathed in slowly. Inside every breath was something called oxygen, and with every breath out, carbon dioxide. In the quiet soil, the seeds began to grow. They used the air in a special way. The plants took in carbon dioxide, and slowly, they began to create oxygen. Above the ground, the children breathed in. Below, the plants did the opposite. Days passed slowly. Each morning, the children returned to the garden. They watered the soil and watched. Then one morning, something changed. A tiny green sprout appeared. It pushed gently through the soil, small but strong. The children noticed immediately. The garden was no longer empty. Life had begun. Day by day, the sprout grew taller. Leaves opened wide, reaching toward the sunlight, helping the air stay fresh. The children breathed deeply. The air felt cool and fresh. Even though they could not see it, they were surrounded by something special. As time passed, the plant grew even stronger. And then, one day, a flower bloomed. Bright colors appeared. The garden, once empty, was now full of life. The soil, water, sunlight, and air had all worked together. In return, the plants gave something back. Fresh oxygen. A quiet gift. With every breath, the garden had become a living circle. A circle of sharing. A circle of life. Even the smallest seed could grow. Even small hands could help take care of the world. The sun slowly began to set. The children sat peacefully beside Grandma Maple. The air was full of quiet life. Plants and people share the air. When we take care of plants, they take care of us. And together, we grow.
Thanks for watching. For more videos, please do like, share, and subscribe to Nappyland.